You alone?
Yeah.
I need protection.
From what?
You look at the film I sent you? You know who the guy in it is?
I don't even know who you are.
I'm Jimmy Fields. Look, that guy in the movie, he killed her.
Killed who?
Look, spare me the crap, all right? I don't have time for it. Our mutual friend is dead. They killed her, and I'm going out the same way unless I can get some help.
How do you know she's dead?
Because she would have called me otherwise. Because she always called me. Always. Always. Because I was her best friend. That means I didn't fuck her.
What did you do with her? Share makeup tips?
Do I make you nervous, Lieutenant?
When was the last time you saw her?
Saturday. In Vegas. She dropped my camera off Saturday morning. Said she'd meet me back in L.A. That her and the general were gonna go for a little ride.
What general?
Cops. Does Thomas Timms ring a bell? You go look it up.
How many more films are there?
Couple.
Did she know?
What do you mean?
I asked you a question. Did she know you were taking movies?
No.
I put that gun away.
Help me, Hoover. You're supposed to be a cop. I thought you couldn't turn anybody down.
Is that what she said?
That's what she said.
She was wrong.